Supabase versus SQL Server. Which database is better? Choosing the right database can completely change how you manage data without compromising performance or scalability. Here we'll look at Supabase and SQL Server, two powerful but distinct options. Supabase and SQL Server are both robust database solutions, but they differ fundamentally. Supabase is an open-source backend platform built on PostgreSQL, while SQL Server is a proprietary enterprise-grade relational database from Microsoft. Their core difference lies in openness versus enterprise integration. Supabase is an open-source backend-as-a-service platform that uses PostgreSQL as its database engine. It provides developers with a full suite of tools including authentication, real-time subscriptions, and storage, all accessible through an easy-to-use API. Supabase works by layering these services on top of PostgreSQL, making it ideal for modern web and mobile apps. Its strengths include fast setup, open-source flexibility, and a developer-friendly environment with built-in real-time capabilities. However, since it is relatively new compared to established databases, it may lack some advanced enterprise features and extensive tooling found in mature platforms. Supabase is perfect for startups, indie developers, and teams looking for a scalable, open-source backend that integrates easily with modern frameworks and supports real-time data updates without complex configuration. SQL Server is a proprietary relational database management system developed by Microsoft, designed for enterprise environments. It offers comprehensive features such as advanced security, in-depth analytics, high availability, and integration with Microsoft's ecosystem, including Azure cloud services. SQL Server operates by managing structured data with strong ACID compliance and supports complex queries, stored procedures, and robust transaction handling. Its strengths lie in reliability, scalability, and extensive enterprise support, making it a go-to choice for large organizations with critical data workloads. The limitations include licensing costs and a steeper learning curve compared to open-source alternatives. SQL Server is ideal for enterprises requiring strong security, complex data management, and seamless integration with Microsoft products, especially in regulated industries or large-scale applications demanding high performance and availability. Comparing Supabase and SQL Server highlights different priorities. Supabase excels in speed of development, open source flexibility, and real-time features, making it suitable for startups and agile teams building modern applications. SQL Server, on the other hand, offers deep enterprise capabilities, advanced security, and integration with Microsoft tools, fitting organizations with complex data needs and regulatory requirements. For example, a small SaaS startup might benefit from Supabase's ease of use and cost-effectiveness, while a financial institution would prefer SQL Server for its reliability and compliance features. The trade-off comes down to open-source innovation versus enterprise-grade robustness, with Supabase offering rapid iteration and SQL Server providing long-term stability and support. Choose Supabase if you want an open-source, developer-friendly platform with real-time capabilities, ideal for fast-growing startups and modern app development. Opt for SQL Server when your project demands enterprise-level security, scalability, and deep integration with Microsoft's ecosystem. It's the best fit for large organizations managing complex, mission-critical data workloads with high reliability and compliance needs. Both are excellent depending on your priorities.